Welcome to Soft Speak's Fun in the Outdoors channel. We're here at River Forks Campground, and this is Paradise Point. It's one of two peninsulas in the campground. And you can see we're really close to the lake. There's a couple of beaches. There's one on this side, and there's one over here on this side. And there's sites 23 to 32, and we're staying in 25. So a lot of the people come here and they've got boats, and they basically go away during the day to get in their boat, and we get to hang out and enjoy the quiet. We like this peninsula because it's got great views of the lake. Just going to take a little walk around here. There's a playground and one bathhouse for this area, but because most of these RVs already have bathrooms, we really don't have any competition. So if you've got a small camper, you pretty much have the bathroom to yourself, so that makes it really nice to stay here and see pretty views of the lake pretty much in every direction. And over here's the men's restroom. We've been coming here since 2014, at least once or twice a year usually, because of it's very clean. It's close to shopping. We got these nice concrete pads, so it stays don't have as much debris and things like that. So there's the bathhouse. I will tell you, I do not like the bathrooms here. I've seen better. I've seen worse, actually. But that's my least favorite thing here is the bathrooms. They're just, just one shower, and it's not all that great. To conserve on water, they have a pulley thing for the shower, so you kind of have to hold it all the time when you're taking a shower, so that's kind of a pain. We got to pull a rope. So we're coming up now on our side. This is our Lola and our car. If you've watched any of our videos, you've seen probably this campground before from one of our other videos. It was the first one we came to in 2014 when we first bought our camper. So we're going to take a look around our campsite, and you'll probably see why we chose it. This campground is not a first come first serve, so you can actually choose which one you want to reserve, and this is always our favorite. It's very small, as you can see, but it's really a good size for campers of our size for a teardrop. But no matter what direction we turn, we've got the water. And from our window, you can see there from the reflection, you can see the lake from inside. It's really pretty. Say hi, Amy. It's Amy. She loves camping. She loves it here especially because you can look out the window and see the lake. It's really nice. So this is our setup.
Well, we hope you enjoyed watching our video.